Seen program for address of last node and last second node. So here we'll see if that node contains x data x. If that node contains data x, we need to return address of that particular linked list. For example, in this particular node, for say if data is equal to 4, then return address of that node. Okay, for that what we need to do, we need to start from here. You know that base cases like if it is empty node, then you need to do return null. Okay, because if it is empty, then you need to return null node. So if it is not empty, then we need to proceed with that data. If it is not empty and if it doesn't found any value, then again we need to return null. So case 2 is if data equal to 4, return address. Okay, else return null. Okay, these are the cases, 1 2 case. In case 2 again you will find 2 more things. So how can I do that? See, you are at start node s dot next not equal to null. That means 1000 dot next not equal to null. True, because it is 2000. It is not equal to null because it is 2000, right? So I move to from here s to I move here, that is s. I am checking again here. Before I moving to here, I will check one more thing. What I need to check? Data 4. How can we access data? That is 1000 dot data. S next is not equal to null. Then I come inside equal to 4. Then I will return s. That is 1000. I will return 1000. For suppose you can make it 1000. I will return 1000 here, right? So it is 10 and 10 equal to 4. So it is false, right? So what I do s is equal to s next. I will do s is equal to s next. That means I am moving to next node. Okay, so here I came. What I am doing again, 2000 dot data equal to 4, not equal because the data is 2, right? So it is not valid. So what I am doing again, I am moving to next node. I came here, next node. Okay, is data 1 is equal to 4, not equal to 4. So I am moving from here to here s, right? So here data, that is 4, and I need to find out 4. So I found the 4. Then what I should return? The address of s. What is the address of s? 4000, right? So we can see that we can write a program for that. Then we'll again see the what is going in that, right? It's actually written or not. We'll see all the cases. For example, function that is struct node star s, that is we are giving the starting address. So what I am doing, if s equal to null, that means we don't have any nodes, then we'll return empty, return null. Okay, if not, while we traverse to s dot next not equal to null. If it is not equal to null, then we move to other things, right? If it is not equal to null, s next not equal to null, then we'll verify this particular node is given x or not. That means we consider this x now. If s dot, so s is at here, so we need to consider this particular data. Our s is at here, we need to consider this data. What is that? S dot data equal to x. X might be 10, 1, 4, 6, whatever it is, x. The given value is x, right? So you can have that int the x value. Okay, int x value. Yes, then return yes, because we need to return address of the node. Else, so we don't find x is some example, for say x is equal to 4 for now, so it is 10. So we need to move further, that is s is equal to s dot next. Okay, so we are not done. Okay, so what you do from here, s is, let's say s is 4, x equal to 4, right? It is not equal to true, then you came else section, then you move to here. Now s is equal to 2000 next not equal to null, that is 3000, this is 3000. So s dot data 2 not equal to 4, then we move to next node, that is s. Now s next is 4000 not equal to null, then we come inside s dot data 1, we required 4, so we came inside, it is not equal, then we came else part, then we came here, s is equal to s next equal to 5000, then it is not equal to null, so we came inside s dot data, that is 4, s equal to 4. For suppose say x equal to 4, then this is the true condition, then we'll return 4000 here. Okay, 4000 here. If not, x is, say, if not, for now x is 4 till now. For now, if you say x is not 4, then x is equal to some 100, right? Till now we haven't find 100, so what we'll do, again x condition is fail. Now we came inside, we'll go s next. Okay, s is equal to s next, right? So here two possibilities. For suppose say x value is 6. For suppose say x value is 6. So we are here, s next not equal to null, this condition is false, right? This condition is failing because s 5000 next is null, then it is failing because it is 5000 next equal to null equal to is true. So what we have, two more conditions, that is if outside the for loop, if outside the for loop s dot data equal to x, then return s. Okay, else, see, if it is 6, then we will return. For suppose this not is 6, this is 100. Okay, even 6 is not there, then what you do, return null. So this is the end of the program. You understood right here why I have changed x equal to 4, first condition x equal to 6, second condition x equal to 100. That is, see, when x equal to 4, then it will return inside loop, inside loop, inside loop it will return. If it is x equal to 6, then it will return outside, outside loop, outside loop. But if x equal to 100, that means we haven't find anywhere, that means this will return the, that node doesn't exist, that node doesn't exist with having value of 100, right? This is the thing. So yeah, that's it for now. We'll move in next tasks.